Hello there, this is Miss M back with an activity idea for you. So if you're a child, this could work for a language activity or a speech sound activity, but I'm definitely in this video going to show you how to do it with specific speech sounds or speech sound flashcards or whatever you do. So I've talked about these flashcards before in some of my videos, and I have different sets for different reasons. So this one is my two-syllable, multisyllabic. So two-syllable, I think I have 3 syllables. Yep, 3 syllables. But my multisyllabic deck. And let's say that's what you want to work on with your child or your student. And so you might take it apart. And I like to keep these all in a deck because then what I do in my speech room is I'll take these. And I should have shown you what you're going to need for this activity first. But, you know, sometimes we're a little scatterbrained. Okay, so what you will need is your child. And you will need, and what we're going to use for a flashlight is my phone, because that's the only one I could find. I don't know where my other one is, but you need a flashlight. You need some tape. Furniture friendly, if this is, or paint or wallpaper friendly. So I definitely recommend, you know, maybe not using Scotch tape unless you're taping to like your granite counter. But even that, be careful. I learned the hard way with my mom's counter. Sorry, Mom. But what you want to do is take, so I know sometimes for the parents I work with, I have recommended you make flashcards of target words that you're working on with your child for their speech sounds, and that you write them down and keep them. That's been important because every week I want you to be maybe doing something different with them. And this week I'm recommending a flashlight activity. So what you could be doing with this, and to make it more fun, I would recommend having a little camp out in your living room or setting up a pretend play camping situation. You might take the flashcards and put the tape on the back, or even tape them backwards to, you know, if you have a chair or my desk, right? I might tape it here. And then you'll tape those around and then turn off the lights. And then you just take your flashlight and you look for the cards. So I would definitely, like, I might not put white on white, right? I might put this on a darker surface so that way your child can see it. If it is this way, it's easier so they're not ripping it off, just so you know. I learned the hard way with that too. But you would put it up and then have them go around with the flashlight, and then every time they find their word, they have to say it, and I always recommend 5 times, right? So they're going to say their word, and then they are going to look for a new word. And that, I mean, that's as simple as we can make it, really. It's not that big of a deal. It's just very fun. I notice, I mean, it's just fun to like kind of change up the environment, and something as simple as turning the lights off and using your phone for a flashlight, or using a flashlight, which is definitely more fun, or a lantern. I mean, let's get real. How fun can it be? Those lanterns are cool. But doing things like that, like I said, changing up the environment is it's so interesting how much it impacts the motivation and the engagement. It definitely, it's a nuance, and it's something that you both can be like, oh, the lights are off, you know, it's different, it's magical. Now we have to use a flashlight. We have to use another means of seeing where things are, and then you can look and you can go on a little scavenger hunt, and it's all right there in your house. So there you go. So that's your weekly idea for working on your speech sounds. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.